How to manage filters. Filters on the site can be managed in two ways. If you look at the site itself, you'll see the filters are usually situated across the top of the page or down the side. Using the RCM system, you can change the order in which these options appear, and you can also rank the internal options in a different order. If we go to Facet Defaults, this is the page where you can look at the page default filters. This section has the main rule that the site will follow for the filters that run along the top. So in this case, colour will be first, size will be second, and style will be last. This rule will apply across the site unless you want to set up a custom rule. If we look inside the colour, by clicking the hamburger button on the right, you can go Edit Facet Values. This gives you the list of all the different colours that are available. You can change this order by dragging and dropping the value and then clicking Save Changes in the right hand side. You can also change the order of the whole thing by moving the options up or down. And again, clicking Save Changes on the right hand side. If there are certain pages that you want to have a specific rule, this is managed under Page Filters. To add a filter rule, use the button in the top right corner where it says Add Filter Rule. You give the rule a name such as skirts. You can then have two options. Facets lets you decide which order the skirts rule will have its facets. So in this case, we will go style, size, and then colour. Save the changes. Then you could also go into size and make it so a size 8 appears before a size 10. Save. Also, with the rules, you assign the rule to a specific page. So you'd go into Pages. You can then filter to skirts. This button will make all three of these move across. This button will just move the selected one. And save. We suggest setting up a few rules if it's something that's specific. For example, shoes would usually have a separate rule because the sizing works differently. Within the page default filters, you should order all of the sizes as you want them to appear. So for example, you could order your shoe sizes together and the dress size together, and the page will pull the relevant size for the product. That about covers how to add site filters.